morning, people of the internet. It is currently 7:30 right now. And last day na namin ng pasok. I still have plates to submit later at 9. So, come with me. I don't know. Come with me. Tapos mamaya, samahan nyo din ako maglinis. We'll be cleaning the dorms aftermath of finals. Because it be messy. So here are my 2 plates na isasubmit ko mamaya. Ito yung isa. Not very proud of it. Kasi medyo minadali ko siya. Tapos ito. Sana talaga makapasa ako sa fig draw kasi at tagal-tagal ko siyang iniyakan. Like, kasi 3-page comics siya. Tapos, ang papel A3. So, hi! So, kakatapos ko lang maligo. And, yung get ready to sleep. Paano ko mamaya na maglaba? Tapos, maglinis na ng buong dorm, ganon. Tapos bukas, pinaplano kong mag-UST Museum because why not? I'm planning on inviting my boyfriend because libre naman ang museum until tomorrow. So, sana free siya. So, we could go there tomorrow. Tapos, pinaplano ko din na magpakulay ng buhok. No, not magpakulay. Kulayan buhok ko. So, maybe I'll do that tomorrow. For now, ang pinaka-plano ko is linisin ang buong dorm at maglaba. Ayan. I actually feel like sleeping after ko magpasa kasi wala pa ako ganong matinong tulog. So, gusto kong makatulog man lang kahit papano. So, I don't know. We'll see. Tingnan natin kung ano mas mananaig. Kung ang kagustuhan ko matulog o ang kagustuhan ko maglinis. I'm all done. I'm all done. I'm done. Nakalimutan ko pala to. Nakalimutan ko pala mag-lip. Lip. Tint. Gloss. Lipstick. Nakalimutan ko mag-lipstick. Alam niyo, may problema ako sa labi ko eh. Whenever I apply like lip product, like halimbawa lip tint, ganon. May certain parts sa lips ko na hindi siya nagsistay yung pigment. Mostly sa upper lip ko yung dito. Hindi nagsistay yung pigments. I don't know why. Siguro sa texture niya. Pero hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun yung texture ng upper lip ko. Like, nakakairita lang kasi nagiging uneven yung lip. Ano ko. Ang tawag dun. Basta yun, gets nyo na ako. Nagiging uneven siya. And it doesn't look good. I don't look like a baddie. Ang scary naman sa Pilato kapag wala gaanong tao. Parang naglalaro ng Five Nights at Freddy's.
with good stuff. Hold on. I'm gonna open the light. And then we're gonna unbox. Hi. This is a very weird angle, pero let's make this work. Okay. So, kinuha ko na yung parcel ko, and then I also bought something. Ano ba to? Oh! I thought aabot siya ng 200. Ano? Kasi, nag-crave ako ng pancit canton. So, like, bumili na ako. And then, I've been craving something sweet then. So, bumili ako ng chocolate. And then, pangkulay ng buhok. Kasi nangangapi na ako magkulay ng buhok. Pero I don't know which should I use. So, I bought both of them. I don't know. I'm indecisive. We're gonna open this one. Hindi ako ng ganito because wala lang. Gusto ko lang mag-ayos dito sa dorm. Gusto kong medyo a-makeover before I go home. Nangangati ako maglaro ng Roblox. Gusto ko maglaro ng Roblox. So, I don't know kung ano nang gagawin ko ngayon. Kung matutulog ba muna ako maglilinis o maglalaro ng Roblox. Hindi ako, kasi ang cute lang yun. Wala lang, trip ko lang. Bakit ba? Tapos maliit na lagayan. Thank you. What do you call this? Like, oh, sorry. Lagayan. Nilagay ko siya sa bathroom. Lagayan ng mga dishes and napkins. Ganon. Then, I have another one. I don't know kung saan ko siya ilalagay, pero may paglalagyan siya. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna change muna ng damit kasi balak kong pumunta ng UST Museum tomorrow because I don't have classes naman. And balak kong mag-uniform. Gusto ko pa itong magamit kasi hindi naman ako gano'n nagpawis today. Hindi ko siya nagamit like the entire day. I only submitted plates then went home. So, yan. What's the harm in that? Gusto kong makabawas ng laundry. Ito na palakas. Sige ang kita. Balik na ako ng damit. If you're wondering why kamukha siya ng damit ko earlier when I woke up, it's because ito yung damit na yun. And umulit-ulit ako ng damit kasi nga, you know, di naman siya sobrang dumi. And sa bahay lang ako, maglilinis ako mamaya. So, ayong makadagdag ng laundry.
Okay. Nanalo antok ko. Nakatulog ako. Kain muna tayo, tapos maglilinis na tayo.
I kind of forgot I still have dishes here, so let's wash our dishes. Yay! I normally do not leave dishes sa sink kasi hinuhugasan ko naman siya kagad whenever I eat. Like, hugas siya kagad after ko kumain. Pero yesterday, I was so busy with my plates, kaya nakalimutan ko maghugas. And sabi ko, hugas ako siya by the morning. Hindi ko nagawa kasi pumasok ako kagad. And yeah. Luto na rin namin yung pancit canton ko right after ko maghugas dito. So, another hugasin. Pero, that's okay because I'm hungry. Luto na siya. Huwag niyo po ako please huhusgahan kung dito ako kakain. Kasi, mag-isa lang naman ako. Bakit pa ako magdadagdag ng hugasin, diba? Kakain lang naman. So, dito na lang ako kakain. Take a look. Yay! Tagal ko talagang ginusto yung pancit canton. Kaso, wala na akong pancit canton Wala na akong pancit canton sa stock ko. So, iyon. Bumili ako kanina. Let's eat! I'm gonna watch, I think, Miraculous Ladybug. Kasi may season 6 na daw sila. Tapos, hindi ako updated. Like, wala pa talaga akong episodes na napanood. So, I'm gonna watch that while I eat. Then, pumiyok pa. Then, ugas ako to, then, tayo yung maglilinis na ng buong doon. Miraculous Ladybug. Miraculous. Simply the best. After the best. So bad.
Hi, Julia. You don't look too good.
You're the holder of the Rabbit Miraculous, the one that allows you to travel through time and change the course of history.
By keeping Ladybug from existing, for example.
That's why you never met Alex. Her mission is to keep the Miraculous safe out of the new Hawkmoth's reach. Right, that's not fair. But there must be a way to wish her Bunny Nut, I'm done. She wasn't there. It goes to show that I need to check again to make sure. Again and again and again. So, how was your afternoon in the burrow?
Hindi pa ko makain si Fluff. Nakailang transform na. Kawawa naman.
Oh, you told me that you were sick. I hope it's not too soon.
Contagious, but I super appreciate your message, and I'm sure that thanks to you, I'll feel 100% tomorrow morning.
So, how did...
This has been my to-do list for several days now. I think several weeks. At least 2 weeks or 3. Now, pwede ko nang i-cross out of Figdro. At ang perspective, it's so rewarding. Oh my god. Okay, it's time. Let's clean the bedroom first. Then, sunod kong lilinisan is yung sala and yung dining. Then, the bathroom. Tapos, I'm also gonna do my laundry because ang dami ko na namang labahin. Let's go! Take a look at my plate studies for Desco design color. Yeah, kind of not really that great, but I'm proud of it because studies pa lang yan. I just finished cleaning the bedroom. Yay! Now I gotta do the living room and the dining room, and I also am doing my laundry. So, hi guys, it is currently 8:40 p.m. I just finished cleaning the entire dorm. I look very stressed. You know what? I'll give you a tour sa dorm ko ngayon, because why not? Come on. So again, here's the bedroom. Okay. Here's some of my stuff right here. Under the desk. And right here. Medyo makalat to kasi, you know, I still use this part. This one is broken. I don't know if I should throw this away because this was not mine. So I'm just gonna keep it, bring it back to my mom, and tell her it's broken. So she'll be the one to throw it away. Here was the desk my previous roommate had. Si Ate Pao. Desk niya yan. Nandito naman yung desk ni Ate Waki. Both are my childhood friends. They're very nice. And I actually miss dorming with them. Ate Pao moved out because of a medical condition while Ate Waki graduated na and she's in grad school. And she travels na lang from Taguig to Manila every time she has classes. Here naman yung living room. I also cleaned this part and I put that stuff right there. Okay. Here are just things na iuuwi ko pabalik ng bahay. Kaya siya nandyan. Hello po! Ito yung mirror ng dorm na kung saan nagsasign lahat ng nagve-visit or almost lahat na nagve-visit. I think may mga times na nakakalimutan na nag-exist yan kaya hindi nila nasasign, pero yan. Tapos ito yung kitchen. This is a small kitchen. Tapos, right there naman is the bathroom. You know, I should have cleaned this fridge. Pero I'm tired na, so maybe I'll do it tomorrow or right before I go home. I'm planning on playing Roblox later, pero I'm very sleepy, I'm very tired, so tingnan ulit natin kung ano ang mananaig, kung gustuhan ko ba mambuli ng mga bata sa Roblox o ang aking antok. Okay, life update. Nanaig ang antok ko, so matutulog na tayo. Good night, guys. Good morning, people of the internet. I just woke up. It is currently 11:30 a.m. I'm thinking I should play Roblox. Straight out of bed, mga away ng bata sa Roblox. Ano, tara? Pagkikita sa subiti, mahal kita. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng puso lang. Ikaw ay pagtutunguhan at pupunta. I kinda wanna dye my hair now, pero naalala ko wala nga pala akong yung hair dye mixer and yung comb na pang brush nung dye sa buhok. So, I don't know. Pwede ko ba siyang gawin na walang ganon? Busin ko ba to? Busin natin. Wala naman ng sunod na magkukulay. Add this comb ready. Shall I use the entire thing? This is my first time dyeing my hair. Yeah. May previous hair dye na tong buhok ko. Like, sa bottom lang naman. May red thing. But other than that, hindi pa ako nagda-dye sa roots ko. This is kind of my first time and I'm doing it all by myself. Sabi kasi ng boyfriend ko, he would help me, pero like, he's unavailable right now and that's fine. I could do it myself. Hiling kami tuloy sa UST Museum kasi, yun nga, he's busy. We'll just go next time. Man, hindi kasya siya sa buhok ko. What the flip? Are you kidding me? Hindi siya kasya sa buhok ko. Ubus na. Hindi ko alam if tama pa ba yung ginagawa ko. Pero I'm just gonna put my hair up like this. Hindi ko alam if okay na ba yung nalagay ko sa buhok ko or kulang pa. Pero if kulang man, wala na tayong magagawa dyan dahil wala na akong hair dye. One lang kasi napili ko na ganong color. Unless imimix ko yung chestnut. Pero, I don't know. Ayokong gawin yan. So, ngayon, habang nihintay natin yung 30 to 45 minutes, I'm gonna play Adopt Me! Kaganapan ngayon sa UST. Medyo foggy sa outside yung glass ko, kaya blurred siya konti. Pero hindi ko siya mabuksan, kaya hindi ko siya ma-wipe. So, we gotta do with this view. I think they are this year's graduates. So, congratulations guys! Happy graduation! Okay, update sa buhok ko. Parang wala namang nangyari. Either hindi effective yung nabili kong hair dye or yung kulay na kinulay ko sa buhok ko ay yung kulay na ng buhok ko. Also, I'm currently editing yung few clips ng vlog. So, para mas mabilis matapos, 'di ba? Ini-edit ko na kagad yung ibang parts. Hi guys. So, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here kasi I have nothing planned for today. So, I think that would be very boring. I'll just update you guys when may plano na ako sa buhay ko. I'll try to do a vlog again kapag pauwi na ako, ganun. I think uwi na ako tomorrow because wala na akong makain. I really do apologize if this vlog was a bit boring since
I have minimal things to do. Pero, ayun, para lang naman makita nyo kung anong kaganapan sa buhay ko, kaya ako nag-vlog. So, iyon. I guess, see you tomorrow. Bye!